I'm going to show you how to do this in two different ways. Okay? Method one is to look if you break this up Oops, I did one little mental math mistake. Right? I'm just adding each decimal place up separately. Would you agree that one decimal 1/6 repeated is the decimal 1 plus the decimal 0.6 and then plus the decimal 0.006 and keep on going that way? We're almost at breaks. If I did this, one thing that you'll notice is that from here to here, you're just moving the decimal place over. So this is 1/10, but this jump isn't. Which causes a little bit of a problem, but not too big of a problem, because what we can do is we can say that starting from here and going forward, it's geometric with an R value of 10. So I can add up these numbers because R is 1/10, and so S of infinity would exist. I can add up all of those numbers from 0.6, starting with 0.06, 1 minus 1/10, and I can change things because it wants it as a fraction, so I'm going to change this to 6/100ths divided by 9/10ths, and I'm going to multiply 6/100 by the reciprocal 10/9, and I'm going to reduce this it's good practicing our fraction skills. Can you see the 10 and the 100 could reduce to 1/10, and this could reduce to 2/3. So I'd have 2 on the top and 10 and 3 on the bottom. And this could reduce to 1/5. So this reduces for me to 1/15. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
You'll live? So if I wanted to find my final answer, this 0.1, that 0.1 is 1/10, I'll write it in black. And then all the rest, which we did in green, was 1/15. How do you add fractions? You need a common denominator. This is going to equal 3/30ths plus 2/30ths, which is 5/30ths, which reduces down to 1/6. And 0.16 repeated is 1/6. But now we just figured out how to use geometric sequences to do that. Okay? Another easy way to do this question is, I mentioned earlier that like 0.4 repeated is 4/9. 0.16 repeated, well, if 0.6 repeated is 6/9, and I move the decimal place over 1, that's like dividing by 10. So that's a quick way to figure out that that 0.06 is 6/90.
How do you type a repeated symbol on a calculator?
You can't. You can just, or you write the fraction. You're allowed to write a fraction in. And any repeated number can be written as a fraction. So if you wanted to do it exactly, you'd have to figure out what the fraction is and then type it. Okay, no homework for this last one.
Oh,
I know.
so sad.